Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is he called me fat but I'm not. He called me fat but I'm not. उसने मुझे मोटा कहा लेकिन मैं नहीं हूँ. Second, I don't know where from I look fat him. I don't know where from I look fat him. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं उसे कहाँ से मोटा लगता हूँ. 3. Water supplier has come. Water supplier has come. पानी वाला आया है. 4. Catch that thief. Catch that thief. पकड़ो उस चोर को. 5. It have been cold all day long today. It have been cold all day long today. आज सारा दिन सर्दी रही. 6. My head is killing me. My head is killing me. मेरा सर दर्द से फट रहा है. 7. Cough doesn't let me sleep. Cough doesn't let me sleep. खांसी की वजह से मैं सो नहीं सका. 8. He is still worried about that accident. He is still worried about that accident. वो अभी भी उस हादसे के बारे में परेशान है. 9. Because his son has died in an accident. Because his son has died in an accident. क्योंकि उसका बेटा एक हादसे में मारा गया. The last one is 10. May Allah bless patience to his mother. May Allah bless patience to his mother. अल्लाह उसकी माँ को सब्र जमील अता फरमाए. So first sentence is really it was an awful accident. Really it was an awful accident. वाकई ये खौफनाक हादसा था. Second, Allah save everyone from such accident. Allah save everyone from such accident. अल्लाह सबको ऐसे हादसात से बचाए. 3. Because such accident destroy the houses. Because such accident destroy houses. क्योंकि ऐसे हादसात घर तबाह कर देते हैं. 4. Just a person who recites Bismillah before dying is called a martyr. A person who recites Bismillah before dying is called a martyr. मरने से पहले बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ने वाला शहीद कहलाता है. 6. He is shivering due to cold. He is shivering due to cold. वो सर्दी की वजह से कांप रहा है. 7. How did your day go? How did your day go? तुम्हारा दिन कैसा गुजरा. 8. What sort of girl is this? What sort of girl is this? ये कैसी लड़की है. 9. Do I serve the food? Do I serve the food? क्या मैं खाना लाऊं. 8. Cleanliness is the half of faith. Cleanliness is the half of faith. सफाई निस्फ ईमान है. Didn't you mind? Didn't you mind? क्या आपने बुरा तो नहीं मनाया. Second, where is your old flip-flop? Where is your old flip-flop? तुम्हारी पुरानी चप्पल कहाँ है. 3. It must be in the house. It must be in the house. घर में कहीं होगी. 4. Then why are you buying this new? Then why are you buying this new? तो फिर तुम ये न्यू क्यों खरीद रहे हो. 5. Whenever you already have this. जबकि तुम्हारे पास पहले से ये है. 6. Either you have a penchant for spending extravagance. Either you have a penchant for spending extravagance. या तुम्हें फजूल खर्ची करने का शौक है. 7. No, it's nothing of the sort. No, it's nothing of the sort. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. 8. If not so like that, then What is this? If not so like that, then what's this? अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो फिर ये क्या है? 9. Oh please, what to hide from me now? Oh please, what to hide from me now? Oh मेहरबानी, अब मेरे से भी क्या छुपाना? The last one is 10. What should I tell you now? What should I tell you now? मैं अब तुम्हें क्या बताऊं?